In the heart of the jungle, among the dense vines and hidden waterways, the line between predator and prey is thin. Nature's most deadly creatures do not always roar the loudest or grow the largest, but each has earned its fearsome reputation. Here are the top 10 most dangerous animals found deep within the world's jungles. 1. Jaguar. Silent and powerful, the jaguar is the apex predator of the American rainforests. Its jaws can crush skulls, and its spotted coat is its camouflage, making it almost invisible among the shadows. 2. Green anaconda. The green anaconda coils beneath murky waters, waiting for a victim. Weighing up to 550 pounds, it can constrict and drown an unwary animal or human before swallowing it whole. 3. Poison dart frog. Bright colors warn of their deadly nature. A single touch can deliver enough toxin to paralyze or kill. Indigenous tribes once used their poison to tip their blow darts. 4. African buffalo. These animals may look docile, but when threatened, the buffalo can gore with deadly precision, responsible for more fatalities in Africa than most other large animals. 5. Mosquito. Tiny but deadly, mosquitoes spread malaria, dengue, and yellow fever. In the jungle, disease can be an invisible predator more dangerous than any big cat. 6. Black mamba. Fast and aggressive, its venom can kill within hours if untreated. The black mamba darts through the bush, striking with precision and retreating into cover. Among vines and unseen paths, these animals maintain the delicate balance of fear and respect at the core of jungle survival.